eggs, ginger, grapes, and almonds. Each of these foods has occupied a special place in culinary traditions and health advice across cultures for centuries. Packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and unique bioactive compounds, they offer an impressive array of health benefits when incorporated into a balanced diet. Let's explore what makes each of them a nutritional powerhouse, delving into how they support the body and promote overall well-being. Eggs are often described as nature's perfect food. They contain all the essential amino acids, making them a complete source of protein. One large egg delivers about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which is vital for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle health, and maintaining a strong immune system. Beyond protein, eggs are rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, riboflavin, selenium, and phosphorus. Choline, a lesser-known nutrient abundant in eggs, is critical for brain development and function. It aids in the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that influences memory and mood. The yolk of the egg contains most of its nutrients, including vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. Eggs also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect eye health by filtering harmful blue light and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Despite past concerns about cholesterol, research now shows that for most people, eating eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels or increase heart disease risk. In fact, eggs may improve the profile of good HDL cholesterol. Their versatility and nutrient density make them an excellent addition to most diets, supporting energy, satiety, and cognitive health. Ginger, with its distinctive spicy flavor and aroma, has been prized for thousands of years, both as a culinary ingredient and a medicinal root. At the heart of ginger's health benefits are its bioactive compounds, particularly gingerol, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Ginger's ability to reduce inflammation can help manage chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis and metabolic syndrome. Its antioxidant properties combat oxidative stress, protecting cells from damage and supporting the body's natural defense systems. One of the most well-known uses of ginger is its effectiveness in alleviating nausea and digestive discomfort. Studies show that ginger may help reduce nausea related to pregnancy, motion sickness, and chemotherapy, often with fewer side effects than conventional medications. Ginger also stimulates digestion by promoting the release of digestive enzymes and increasing motility in the gastrointestinal tract, helping to ease bloating and indigestion. Additionally, ginger may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve heart health by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Some research suggests that ginger can enhance fat burning and reduce muscle pain after exercise due to its anti-inflammatory effects. Whether consumed fresh, dried, or as a tea, ginger delivers a wide range of health benefits, making it a valuable addition to the daily diet. Grapes, with their sweet, juicy flavor, are more than just a delicious snack. They are loaded with powerful phytonutrients and antioxidants. Grapes are an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K, supporting immune function and bone health. But what truly sets grapes apart is their high concentration of polyphenols, such as resveratrol, quercetin, and catechins, mostly found in the skin and seeds. These compounds help protect the body from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation, lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Resveratrol, in particular, has gained attention for its potential role in promoting heart health. It helps relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, all of which contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Regular grape consumption has been linked to lower risks of heart disease and stroke, and they may also help regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. Grapes also support brain health. The antioxidants in grapes have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain, enhance memory, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. In addition, grapes contain fiber and water, aiding hydration and supporting digestive health. Their natural sweetness can satisfy cravings for sugary snacks, making them a healthier alternative that delivers lasting energy and nourishment. Almonds, the edible seeds of the almond tree, have long been celebrated as a nutrient-dense snack. Containing healthy monounsaturated fats, plant-based protein, and dietary fiber, almonds are a heart-friendly food that supports satiety and weight management. A handful of almonds, about 23 nuts, provides 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber, and a substantial amount of vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects cell membranes from damage and supports skin health. Magnesium found in almonds plays a crucial role in muscle function, energy production, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. The combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats helps stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce hunger, and promote feelings of fullness, which can be especially helpful for supporting weight management goals. Almonds have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol and reduce inflammation, contributing to a lower risk of heart disease. Their high content of antioxidants helps decrease oxidative stress, while their healthy fat profile supports healthy arteries. Regular almond consumption has also been linked to improved brain function and cognitive performance, thanks to nutrients like riboflavin and L-carnitine. Beyond their nutritional profile, almonds can support gut health. The fiber in almonds acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in the digestive tract and promoting a healthy microbiome. This, in turn, enhances immune function and can help prevent digestive issues. Taken together, eggs, ginger, grapes, and almonds offer a rich tapestry of nutrients and health-promoting compounds. Incorporating these foods into daily meals can provide a spectrum of benefits. Eggs support muscle and brain health while keeping you satisfied. Ginger soothes digestion, reduces inflammation, and even helps regulate blood sugar. Grapes deliver powerful antioxidants that protect the heart and brain, while their natural sweetness aids hydration. Almonds offer a wealth of nutrients that benefit the heart, mind, and digestive system. The key to harnessing these benefits is variety and balance. Enjoy eggs for breakfast, perhaps paired with sliced almonds and grapes. Add fresh ginger to stir-fries, soups, or teas to support digestion and add flavor. Snack on grapes for a burst of energy, and reach for almonds to satisfy midday hunger while nourishing your body. As research continues to uncover the intricate links between nutrition and health, these foods stand out as simple, accessible ways to support wellness. They demonstrate that small choices, like reaching for a handful of almonds or enjoying a ginger-infused meal, can add up to meaningful improvements in health over time. By embracing the benefits of eggs, ginger, grapes, and almonds, we invest in a future of vitality and well-being, one delicious bite at a time.